Okay, so in this class we will discuss the last two questions of this test portion, 10B. Okay, these questions you'll find on textbook. Question number 20 you'll find on textbook, page 196. Okay, 196. So go there to your textbook. Let me read the question for us. An object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30. So let's just write down that part. Since an object, okay, 5 centimeter in length is placed at a distance, right along with me, okay, distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror, of a convex. So we have to be very clear about this. Convex mirror, whether it is concave or convex, when we're doing numericals on mirrors, okay, of radius of curvature, 30 centimeter. This much is given. So with this we're going to solve the numerical. Okay, with the help of this statement, let us draw a diagram. As we said, this diagram you can draw with your pen, and this is not a necessary part of solving, but it really helps us, especially in the beginning, to know the sign convention, whether a particular value is plus or minus. That's why we're drawing it. So we have already been saying again and again, sign convention is whether concave or convex, reflecting surface will face left, and non-reflecting means the lines here, oblique lines, should be always on the right. This is a real convex mirror, so we should place like this, so that my face, which is the object, is on the left. We mean to say we should not face this reflection side on the right, so that I have to put the object, my face, on the right. We will not do that, right? So like this means your object will be this way, on the left. So we know how to search our C. We draw the imaginary ball, because a mirror is taken out from a sphere ball like this. So that ball, the center is inside, so it will be somewhere here, right? So we know this is pollen. Midpoint of C and P, exactly middle point, is the focus. So without this P, C, F, our diagram will be incomplete. So we have to be careful with that. Now object 5, so it should be on the left. Plus distance of 20. Focal length, radius is 30. That means radius of curvature we know. We can just draw with our pen. Distance between C and P. Clearly question is saying this is 30 centimeter. So on the right side of P, so this is plus. That's what we mean. If we draw a diagram, we will clearly know what is plus, minus, which one is plus, which value is minus, especially in the beginning. Once we get so comfortable with it, we don't need to draw, we'll know it also, which one is plus, minus. But before that, it is good to draw this diagram. It helps us, okay? Now object is 5 means maybe now here, this is the focal length. The distance between P and F capital is the focal length, which we don't know yet. So the object is here. This is our object. Okay, and the object is 5 centimeter tall. We know the sign convention, so it will be plus 5 centimeter. And it's placed at 20 centimeter distance. So this distance here, from here to here, from the pole P to this object is 20 centimeter, very clearly. Let us do slow. On the left side, so minus. So these are the values we got by drawing diagram. So If we draw like this, we're clear which one is plus and which one is minus. So that helps us to write the values correctly. So here we have, as we can see here, this one here, you can start from here one. Height of object HO is equal to plus 5 centimeter because it is above principal axis. And this one here, U, object distance, is on the left side always, so minus 20 centimeter. The small f we are yet to know, question mark. But capital R is there, which is the radius of curvature is plus 30 centimeter. As we have been reminding ourselves again and again, for mirrors, these 5 formulas are going to be very important to know them very properly so that we can easily retrieve from our memory. 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Second one is here, F is equal to half of R. Third one is M is equal to HI by HO. Maybe the fourth one, M is equal to minus V by U. And the fifth one, here, M is therefore we can combine these two. HI by HO will be equal to minus V by U. So these 5 formulas especially has to be very well memorized so that we can easily retrieve it when we need, like we're going to do now. So let us go back to question and see what question is asking. Find the position of the image, nature and size. So position of image means how far the image is from the mirror. So that is V, question mark, position of image. Then go back to question, nature and size. And we know nature will be, the best way to know the nature is the M value magnification. Okay, then size also. So that means HI, size, height of the image. So these 3 we have to find out, right? Now we have already U and R. So we can easily find F by using the formula number 2, right? So we can start like that, because unless we know that F, we cannot use this formula. That's why we are starting with F equal to half of R. So that will be half into R is plus 30 centimeter, as you can see here. So 2 into 15 we get, so it is plus 15 centimeter. So we know F and U. So if we know F and U, easily we can use this first mirror famous equation to find out V. So we write here, since we clearly know main formula 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So we can just replace the right values in the right places, plus 1 by U here minus 20 centimeter is equal to 1 by F here plus 15 centimeter. Right? So that's, I hope that's clear to you till now. So 1 by V plus into minus means minus, so that minus have to be brought up immediately to the numerator, and 1 by 20 centimeter. Okay, 1 by 20 centimeter. So this is 1 by, we can just write simply 15 centimeter. So as we continue solving this here, we can continue. That implies 1 by V, just put there, and this one also on the same side, so 1 by 15 centimeter, right? And then shift this minus 1 by 20 from left side to the right side, then minus will become plus, we know this, so 1 by 20 centimeter. Then in order to find the LCM of these two, when only 2 numbers, as we have been learning from now, it's easy to find direct method. Take the bigger one and write a timetable. 21s are 20, 22s are 40. Still doesn't go with the smaller, so continue till you get the first one. 23s are 60, and 60 is divisible by 15, 4. So the first multiple of the bigger number, which is also a multiple of the smaller number, is the LCM. So that is 60. That is the direct method. Of course, you can do the normal way you are used to, that is prime factorization. But when only 2 numbers are there, this is shorter way of doing it. Okay, if you learn that, that's quite easy. 15 fours are 60, so 4 ones are 4, plus 23s are 6, so 3 ones are 3. So we get here 1 by V is equal to 7 by 60 centimeter, as you can see. So now cross multiply down and up, 7V you get. Then 60 and 1 up and down, 60 after equal sign. First up and down you do, put equal sign, then second up and down or down and up, it's up to you. So here finally you're going to get V equal to, we got the value 60 by 7 centimeter. If you like, you can put the plus sign in front. V equal to plus. Just keep it like that for some time. Equation 1, let us suppose. Now we have found V, now we have to find the M so we can know the nature. In this portion we'll explain once more, okay, how to evaluate the value of M. So here, let us start again. Here, I think the best formula that we can use M, there are two choices, 4, 3 and 4. We don't have HI yet, so let us use 4. M is equal to minus V by U, because V is also we know now, and U is already known, so that's a better option. So rather it's the only option, because we cannot use the HI because we don't know HI yet. Put long line, then your minus sign for the formula should be here. And V there is a plus, so there's nothing much to worry, plus 60 by 7 centimeter. U there, as you can see, minus 20 centimeter if you would like. Then you can just write here, if you don't put bracket also it's fine, but if you want you can put, since using equation 1 to replace this value V equal to this one, equation 1, and then knowing that equation 1, and then knowing that U equal to minus 20 centimeter. So once we're done with that, you see here, this minus up and down we can cancel it, and we can deal with this part. 60 by 7 is okay. Now long line here means divided by, change to multiplication sign, then we know 20 centimeters means by 1 is there. We need not write, okay, I'm just showing so we can understand. Into means down 1 will go up, and before that here we forgot to put a centimeter here. Up, into means down 1 will go up, 20 centimeter up will come down. 0 and 0 will cancel, centimeter cancel, 2 3s are 6, so this is plus. Let's leave it like this for some time. So as we said, M will never have unit because it's division of same type, distance, image distance by object distance, distance, so centimeter will cancel. No ratio has unit, okay, and since M is a ratio of the image distance to object distance, it will have no unit. Never, centimeter will never come out. We have to be careful with that, okay. Some people make mistake there, so we have to be careful with that. Now next, as we go on, you see here M is done. Finally this HI, let us try. So I think you will agree with this. HI by HO we can write as formula number 5 is equal to M 3. So why we're doing this, we're taking advantage of this M value that you got here. So HI we don't know yet, by HO, there, HO is here, plus 5. So we can just write there, plus 5 centimeter is equal to, here, M value is already there, 3 by 7, plus if you want. And we write here, since we know HO is plus 5 centimeter, and using equation number 2 for replacing this value of M by 3 by 7. Okay, now we're almost ready to get the HI. So we can write here, as we continue, that implies here, okay, that implies that HI will, don't touch, let it be there, equal to And this down here 5, if you shift, will go to numerator and multiply 3. So 5 3s are 15 centimeter. Divided by 7 is down there, so just keep it. Now here plus into plus is plus, so that is fine. So let us keep this one as equation number 3. So we found all the values. They asked for V, we found out. M, we found out. HI, position, nature and size, they told, we all found out all of them. So now we can answer our question. So let us go here. First they're asking for position of image, so let us not rub out this equation 1. We need this, so V equal to this one you write. So since, okay, V is equal to plus 60 by 7 centimeter, as we get this one by using equation number 1, as you can see there. So now we can divide this 60 divided by 7. 8s are 56, 4, no more digits of 0.0. 5s are 35, then 5, 0. 5s are 10 minus 5, 5. 7 7s are 49. So we can write here 7 7s are 49. Okay, 56, 4, 5, 35, 5, yeah. So we're getting here plus up to second place is what your textbook is doing. So second place of decimal, so 8.57 centimeter approximately. So we'll write this one as 8 point. This is what your textbook is normally doing, okay? Second place is 5 or more than 5, then this will increase first place by 1. So second place is 7, which is 5 or greater than 5. So this will become 6, approximately this much. So we write here, which is, common sense also tells us, a plus number. See here, plus sign, positive. Therefore, this plus positive is so important because it will tell you the position. Okay, so here we write here, same language of the text, position of image. Okay, position of image is approximately 8.6 centimeter. Plus means we know, not sign conventional, behind or right side of this or the convex mirror, because we know this is a convex mirror. This must be correct because on the only image that convex mirror form is virtually right behind the mirror, never in front. So this, if you are getting V equal to minus, it's wrong because convex can never get V equal to in front. Okay, so this is the first answer, the position, then nature, right? Next one is nature. So at this point we'll spend some more time. So in the last class also we explained, today also we'll explain how we find the nature of image from M. Okay, so here, since we know M value is, we found here, plus 3 by 7. Plus 3 by 7. So 20, let's see the textbook answer. I think it's same. They are doing like that, I think. Yes, that's correct. Then here, M value is this much, as you get this one by using equation number 2. Sorry. So let us find out this value here. This is done, so let's just, so 3 is divided by 7. Be very clear with that. Since this dividend is smaller than divisor, we have to put 0 point, then only we can divide. So 0 will come there. So 30, 4s are 28, 2 in hand, 0, 7 2s are, up to that is enough. So here, plus 0.42. So that is approximately like your textbook is doing. Second place less than 5 means this first place of decimal, these are called decimals on the right of point, will not change. So this is the M value. So we write here, which is positive first of all. And we want to spend some time explaining this because this is so important, which is positive. And also, we know 0.4 is definitely smaller than the number 1. Okay, So how will this tell you the nature? So just keep this page and go to the new page and write something again that we've done in the last class. This is very important, so write it down and follow me. So here we have here, write it up to there, okay? Okay, so just right there on a new page, keep space for writing this little bit, and on a new page, not means important. Case 1, write it down. Suppose we have here object height is HO, actual height is 5 centimeter, and the image this side is also HI, same height. So by common sense also we know this size of the image and object are exactly equal to each other. Then what will the M be? We know M formula is HI by HO, as you can see here, formula number 3. Now how will this M tell you the nature? Look here, 5 centimeter by 5. So these two cancel, means 1 is left. So we look at this and let us write, when so we found out by this activity that when M is exactly equal to 1 like this, then image nature is what? Image is of the same size as the object. By common sense also we understand now that when image, see, they are equal means M will turn out to be 1. So we can now use that to our advantage. When we see in our solving M is exactly 1, then we know image and object are equal size. So M equal to 1 is telling you that the image and object are of equal size. Case 1. Okay, case 2. Write down. In the case 2, let us say the height of the image is taller. Let us say it is bigger than the object, 10 centimeter. Very clear that object is only very short, 5, but image focused by the mirror is taller. So in such case, what will your M be? Let us see here. HI is now 10 centimeter, as you can see, by HO 5 centimeter. So this centimeter gone and 5 2. In this case, we're getting 5 M equal to 2, which means you will agree here the number 2 is greater than 1. So when M is 2, which is greater than 1, 2 or 3 or 4, 5, whatever, M is greater than 1, then image, look at this diagram with your, don't think too much, look at the diagram, then image is what? Taller, right? Image is taller means, we write image is magnified. So remember that when M value is greater than 2, image is always taller, as you can see here. When the image was taller, we got our M greater than 1, which is 2 here, or 3 can be also. Such cases, the image is always magnified, means bigger than object. So another case is possible, case 3. In the case 3, let us say image is, object is 10 centimeter, tall one. Object is 10 centimeter, write down, and the image is shorter, let us say only 5 centimeter this time. Example only we're taking. So we're very clear that the image is smaller than the object now. So it's like 10 centimeter pencil you place in front of a mirror, and the image is producing an image only 5 centimeter, so it's smaller. M value will in that case be how much? Common sense, HI 5 centimeter divided by HO. So this centimeter cancel, then see M will never have unit because it's object image height by object height in centimeter cancel, right? So here 5 divided by 10 means decimal move left from right to the left of 5, so 0.5 will become, which means 0.5. So we will agree 0.5 M equal to 0.5 means surely M is now not greater but smaller. So we find that when image is shorter than object, smaller than object, M value is always smaller. Just now we saw when image was taller, M was greater than 1. But when image is smaller, M value turns out to be less than 1. 0.5 is less than 1. Then when M is less than 1, image is instead of magnified, diminished. So remember that m equal to 1, image and object size are equal. M greater than 1, image is magnified. M is less than 1, see 0.5. This also now 0.4, our answer. Less than 1, so our image will in nature will be diminished, 1 nature, right? So less than 1 means image is diminished. So let us use that knowledge now to tell the nature m equal to 0.4, which is smaller than 1. But first of all, let us deal with this part, positive. We have done this in sign convention. So let us go here. Therefore, image is positive means we know virtual. We have discussed this in the sign convention, so erect. See here. When the image is erect, hi is plus and ho is always plus. Object height is always plus. So m hi by ho, m equal to hi by ho will be plus now when it is virtually erect. So image is virtually erect, and then if it is inverted, hi is minus, so minus here, see. So m is minus when it is really inverted, m is plus when it is virtually erect. We are explained just now also, but we did that clearly in the sign convention in the last 2 classes ago, I think. So image is virtually erect, and then just now we learned if it is smaller than 1, then m value is smaller than 1, then the image is, according to size, the nature is diminished. So that's how m tells you the nature of image. So nature, and then finally they are asking for size also. So let us go there and see. Yeah, size of image. So you write here, therefore, finally, size of image. This though you can just write directly. Hi is nothing but equal to, as you can see here, 15 by 7 centimeter, since using equation number 3. Okay, so now you can just divide this. 15 is divided by 7, 2s are 14, 1 in hand, 0.0, 7 1s are 7, 3 in hand, 0, so this 30, 7 4s are 28, we can stop there, 2.14 centimeter, which is simply 2 point, second place is less than 5.4, so this will not change, 2.1 centimeter tall approximately. So this is the size. Position of image, nature, and size. So this question is completed. We'll go into 21, the last question for this test. 21, textbook, page 196. Okay, let me wrap out this part. Okay, let me read the question. Let's do it carefully. An object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. This time is concave, of focal length 18 centimeter. So let us write that down. So it will give us the since. Okay, since an object of size 7 centimeter, 7.0 means 7 only centimeter, is placed 27 centimeter in front of a concave, very important to remember this, concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. Okay, 18 centimeter. This much is given. So at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focus image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of image also. So that means the word screen there tells us that this is going to be a real image, because real inverted image, because only a real inverted image needs a screen. Virtually reg, we don't need a screen. Just like the looking glass at home, we can see directly, that's virtually reg. So we never use a screen, we can see it behind the mirror. But real inverted is in front of the mirror. So we can't see until we bring a screen. So the word screen there means even if they did not tell us, we know it's going to be real inverted. So here, anyway, let us draw the concave mirror with our pen. We know the curve has to be like this, so that the non-reflecting side is right side. And we know the ball is like this, means the center will be somewhere here. Between that is F and this is P. Now the focal length, let us first find out. That will give us a focal length is the distance between P and F. This distance is 18, so minus, because it's on the left. 18 plus 18 will become radius of curvature, because radius of curvature is double, right? 36. But the object distance is only 27, means up to here 36. So between F and this one, somewhere there is the object. So this is the object. And then the object is very clearly, we can see here, 27 centimeter. So from here to here is object distance 27 minus left side. Okay, size is 7. So here will be HO is plus 7 centimeter, because it's above the principal axis. So those are the ones we got. Done, done, and done. So we can write here the values. So HO, clearly we can see here, plus 7 above principal axis. And F or U, you can write first, minus, up to U. And then F minus 18, because all these are on the left. And this is plus because it's above. Below is minus, right? So sign convention. So we have these values. Let us see the question. At what distance should the screen be placed? Now we know by common sense also that, so imagine a ray is passing parallel, then go to focus, and it will go like this, reflected ray. From our question number 24, formation of image by concave mirror, we saw that when the object was between C and F, image was formed somewhere beyond C. We don't know where, and it was magnified, really inverted. So this is the image, HI. We don't know where exactly. This is what we're going to search. Only when you put it here, this is V, which is here question mark. Only when you put the screen exactly here, you'll get this image on the screen. So this screen distance from the mirror they're asking. This one, actually, which is V. So we write here V, okay? So let us write here V is equal to question mark, which is of image distance, but which is placed in the question as distance of screen from the mirror. So distance of screen from mirror. What should it be? Then find the size and nature of image also. So size is HI, we don't know, and nature of image we know. Best way to find is this one. So these three values, V, HI, and M. So we have U and F. So we can use the first formula to find V. So let us do that. Since 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, as you can see here, there, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So we can write here 1 by V plus 1 by U minus 27 centimeter is equal to 1 by F. F is minus 18 centimeter. So we can just convert this 1 by V plus and minus 1 by 27 centimeter is equal to, minus can be brought up, minus 1 by 18 centimeter. So we can continue doing it. Then take the term containing V, 1 by V alone on one side, shift this one to the right side, become plus 1 by 27